Hello beautiful people, it is Mishak here again for Anedo TV, and today I will be bringing you our selection of the top 7 Igbo-owned businesses in Nigeria. The Igbos are regarded as the most intelligent Black African race as reported by the US Academic Research Institute. They are also known for their business acumen. The average Igbo man or woman has a natural flair for business and a penchant to succeed at it. However, among Igbos, we know one thing for certain. Some businesses have made it to the very top and distinguished themselves through their methods of operation, innovativeness, and the sheer determination of the owners and their workforce. In no particular order of hierarchy, here are 7 Igbo-owned businesses that have distinguished themselves in various sectors of the Nigerian business space. These businesses are on this list because they are large-scale employers of labor and are pioneers in their respective fields that have had positive impact on the Nigerian economy. Number 1. Louis Transport Company. Founded in 1955, Louis Ojukwu set the pace for the transport system widely used in the country today. With the advent of transportation by road through vehicles, Louis Ojukwu went into partnership with Leventis Motors to purchase its vehicles on hire. He further created terminals to distinguish it from the chaotic motor parks at the time. As the business grew, he diversified to buy Mercedes-Benz's luxurious vehicles known today as luxurious buses. This has been adopted by many transport companies today. He put a new face to the transportation business in Nigeria. The owner of Louis Ojukwu Transport Company is Chief Augustine Ilodibe. The company had over 500 vehicles operating through different terminals in Abuja, Kaduna, Lagos, Onitsha, Owerri, Enugu, and Port Harcourt. Number 2. Roban Stores. Roban Stores is the only indigenously owned chain stores brand in Igboland, more so because it is resident in southeast Nigeria. The proponents of the business walked into a virgin market and created something different and unique. The business has thrived ever since then. Roban owns a total of 6 stores in Anambra, Ebonyi, and Enugu and looks to expand to other cities in the southeast and south-south region in no time. The store has been in existence since 1999 and has employed over 1,000 staff in its various outlets. The CEO of Roban Stores is Chief Sir Onyebuchi R. Anwatu. Number 3. Emzor Pharmaceuticals. Emzor is one of the leading pharmaceuticals in Nigeria. They are the producers of the famous Emzor paracetamol, Mcap, Maldox malaria tablet, and so many other drugs. The company has distinguished itself in the field of pharmaceuticals. Emzor remains one of the few, if not the biggest, long-standing pharmaceutical business owned by a Nigerian of Igbo descent to this day. From a modest beginning with 4 products in 1987, they now manufacture over 120 products cutting across analgesic, anti-malaria, vitamin and multivitamin supplements, antibiotics, and therapeutic categories. The company's net worth is $17.5 million in sales per annum. The CEO of Emzor Pharmaceuticals is Mrs. Stella Okoli. She is currently the Vice President of Manufacturers Association of Nigeria and the Nigerian Association of Chambers of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture, having served as the chairman of the Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Group and the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria. Part of the reason for her nomination is in recognition of her ability to stand tall in a sector dominated by the male gender. Number 4. Innocent Group of Companies. Innocent Group is the parent company of Innocent Vehicles Manufacturing, Innocent Plastics, and Innocent Motorcycles. The Innocent brand is a trailblazer in any business it ventures into. The automobile giant had humble beginnings like every other beautiful success story. For the Innocent Group, it all started in the 80s when motorcycles in Nigeria were mostly imported by Leventis and other foreign brands. The Innocent Group creatively started to import motorcycle spare parts and components to have them reassembled into standard motorcycles in Nnewi, Anambra State. These motorcycles were then sold at nearly 69% off the price of brand new bikes sold by their competitors. This contributed to the virality of motorcycles in Nigeria, wherefore it became affordable. Innoson Group also brought innovation to the plastic business as the brand operates the largest plastic manufacturing plant in West Africa, fitted with the latest plastic molding technology and expertise to produce over 1,500 different plastic commodities. Outside of Nigeria, Innoson has gone ahead to be the first indigenous vehicle manufacturing brand in the whole of Africa. The IVM brand of cars have been described as suitable for the African roads, made for Africa by Africans. Innoson Group is owned by Chief Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma. The company was established in 1986. Number 5. Ibeto Group of Companies. The Ibeto Group commenced business in the cement sector in 1997 with the importation of shiploads of bagged Portland cement through the Apapa ports. The cement company was conceived in 2001 when the federal government banned the importation of cement. The Ibeto Group started producing bagged cement at its terminal in June 2005. The terminal is an ultra-modern plant with a flat storage capacity of 50,000 metric tons and a production capacity of 1,500,000 tons per annum. This accounts to not less than 6,000 bags of cement produced daily. The CEO, Ibeto Group, Sir Cletus Ibeto, delved into the cement production sector and conquered. He dominated the cement sector in Africa. However, the Ibeto Group has diversified into other businesses such as petrochemical, hospitality, banking and finance, and automobile parts with products like Union Auto Parts, Ibeto batteries, and car accessories. Sir Cletus Ibeto still remains one of the top 3 richest Igbo men and is one of the top 20 richest men in Nigeria. Number 6. Coscharis Group. Coscharis Group was established in 1977 with a modest beginning of importation and distribution of genuine automotive spare parts for Japanese vehicles and several kinds of automobile-related products. This would serve as the foundation for which Coscharis would consolidate its automobile business. The brand grew to become the sole representative of the BMW brand in Nigeria. Thereafter, it expanded to other great vehicle brands like Jaguar, Land Rover, Ford, and the luxurious Rolls-Royce, exclusively bringing these brands into the Nigerian market. Coscharis was the second franchise in the whole of Africa to own such exclusive auto dealership rights. Serial entrepreneur Chief Cosmas Maduka is the founder of Coscharis Group. He has other ventures such as Cosfarm, Coscharis Technology, Coscharis Beverages, among others. Number 7. Chikasin Group of Companies. The A to Z oil manufacturer is the number 1 engine oil producer from and in the southeast Nigeria. The reason for his nomination to this list is the fact that AZ Oil Mega Plant is situated in Nnewi, Anambra State. Founded in 1981, Chikasin Group has over the past 36 years built the following brands: A to Z Petroleum Products Limited, Rock of Ages Properties PLC, Rimco Mining Limited, Carson's Travel Limited, Afro Asia Automobile and Plastics Limited, Promotex Nigeria Limited, and so many others. The group is headed by Dr. Alex Chika Okafor. He is the founder, Group Executive Chairman, and Principal Shareholder of the Chikasin Group of Companies. Now there you have it, guys, the top 7 Igbo-owned businesses in no particular order of hierarchy. Our illustrious Igbo sons are dominating and doing us proud in the Nigerian business space. Hope you learned something today and are inspired. Keep watching Anilu TV. This is Mishak signing out.